أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان ومن يتبع خطوات الشيطان فإنه يأمر بالفحشاء والمنكر ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته ما زكى منكم من أحد أبدا ولكن الله يزكي من يشاء والله سميع عليم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا, O you who believe, people who believe in Allah, do not follow Satan's footsteps. لا تتبعوا, do not follow, تتبعوا, do not, لا تتبعوا, do not follow and follow his Sharia. Do not follow Khutuwati Shaitan, Satan's footsteps. Satan's Khutuwat footsteps. Shaitan, Satan. وَمَنْ يَتَّبِعُ, whoever follows Khutuwati Shaitan, Satan's footsteps, فَإِنَّهُ, because of surely the Satan, he advocates Umur bil Fahsha, he advocates and immorality he advocates Umur, he advocates bil Fahsha wal Munkari, obscenity and immorality. Walawla, were it not for, Walawla, were it not for Fadlullahi, Allah's grace, alaykum, Allah's grace towards you, wa rahmatuhu, and his mercy, ma zaka minkum min ahadin abadan, not one of you would have been pure, not one of you, ma zaka minkum min ahadi, one of you, zaka, pure, and ma zaka minkum min ahadin abadan, not one of you would have been pure ever. Walakin Allah, but Allah, at God, purifies, Yuzakki, purifies, man yasha, whomever he wills, Wallahu Sami'un Alim, God is all hearing, all knowing, Sami', all hearing, Alim, all knowing.